In mammals, communication. The animal communication system, also known as honeycombs, refers to the method and system animals use to communicate with each other belonging to the same species or to transmit signal to the other animals belong to other species or to humans. Animal communication is also known as biological communication. It is a passage of information between two animals. It is accepted approximately that animals use some sort of communication among themselves which is largely dissimilar to the human system involving languages. Honeycombs is a study of specific behavioral patterns of animals that relate to inter or intraspecific communication, which often leads to better understanding of associated animal species. The components signal are an individual which emits signal, receiver an individual which receives signal, the behavior emitted by the signaler, channels a pathway through which normally a signal travels, visual, auditory, chemical, tactile, electrical, surface vibration. Communication information transmitted by visual means is called visual information. Visual signals may be given by various means like a movement, posture or shape of the body, facial expression, color identification, light, etc. Visual signals are used most often by species that are active during day. Light as a visual means it is used in night. Communication sending information from one member to another by sound production is called auditory signal or bioactic signal. Sound is a good means of communicating over long distance both in air and water. It may have vocal origin or it may be produced by some other organs. For example, calls of mammals and birds. Vocal origin sound produced by crickets is rhythmic oscillation of forewings. Sound is most effective signal at night and darkness. It can go around obstacles that would interfere with visual signals. It is better than visual signal in getting attention of the receiver. Or chemical communication through chemicals falls in this category. Chemical communication is the most primitive type of communication among animals. Usually the message causes an immediate response. Molecules used for chemical communication between individual animals are called pheromones. They are produced by special ducted glands and are proteinous in nature. A pheromone is a secreted chemical signal used to trigger a response in another individual of the same species. Pheromones are especially common among social insects, ants and bees and mammals. Pheromones may attract the opposite sex, raise an alarm, mark a foot trail, or trigger other more complex behavior. While audio signals can transmit information in dark, can travel a long distance, can last for hours or number of days. Tactile communication or touch is an important form of communication for many animals. Touch is very important in many primate species. Primates are social animals. They are live in large groups. Touch helps the groups form bond and stay peaceful. Primates often groom each other. For example, female primates hold unfrequently cuddled and offer comfort their youngs. Example, a sea otter often rub their faces together and touch noses. The sea otter may even touch noses with other animals like seals and sea lions. Example, elephants are extremely tactile animals. They purposefully touch one another using the trunk, ears, tusk, feet, tail, and even their entire body. Tactile interaction between animals, elephants, occurs during a broad range of contexts, including aggressive, defensive, affiliative, sexual, playful, caretaking, and exploratory behavior. Thank you.